Hello, my name is Arya John Samuel, and this is my final project for IT 2030C. So today I'll be reviewing the utility Crunch in Kali Linux. So to access it, you go to your applications, you go to number 5, your password attacks, and then you can access your Crunch tool here. So Crunch is a really cool tool that generates tons of passwords and is really a tool primarily made for dictionary attacks. So hackers can mass enter tons of permutations of a certain amount of letters. So let's go ahead and try to do it ourselves. So to start, you need to access the desktop. So if you type in cd desktop slash, you will now have access to your desktop. So you can start making commands. So now let's crunch and find some type of passwords to generate. So to start, you need to type in crunch here. Then you need to specify your max and minimum string length. So what I'm going to do is 99. So basically what this is saying is the minimum length of the password this application is going to generate is 9 characters. And the maximum length is 9 characters. So we won't get like a random amount of characters when we specify it as 99. So next, I'm just gonna put a couple numbers. So 1, 2, 3. So when it generates the passwords, since I'm only gonna use 3 numbers, so we don't get a crazy amount of passwords, but it's gonna make a password with each permutation of 1, 2, 3. So we'll get like 1, 2, 3, 2, 1, 3, 3, 2, 1, and so on and so forth. So a good funny example, I guess you could say you were trying to access your friend's Spotify account, and you don't know what the last 3 numbers are, but you know that the word is winter. You just don't know what are the 3 numbers after winter. So we start by just trying out the numbers 1, 2, 3 to see if any of those could generate the password. That way you can listen to music on your friend's Spotify account. So winter is going to be locked. So we're not going to, when we get these passwords, we want winter locked. That way we don't get like Terwin and just like combinations of the word winter. But we want different numbers after the word winter. So by putting these 3 ats there, we are going to randomly go through these 3 numbers while keeping the word winter consistent. So next we need to put all the passwords in a list. That way we can access them and see what the passwords are. So if we do -o and then list.txt here, we'll now have all the passwords in a nice little list for us to see and access in the next command. So next press enter. We're going to generate 27 lines of passwords. Wait for it to generate the output 100%. Then what you want to type is you want to type head and then the list where we stored all the passwords. So once I press enter, the cool part begins. We are going to get all the passwords with different combinations of the numbers 1, 2, 3. So 111, 112. And hopefully one of these passwords is the one that will allow you to access your friend's Spotify account and listen to all the music you want ad-free. Thank you guys for watching.